Welcome back to episode 2 of the abandoned Audi series. Can you guess how long the car's been sat for? This car has been sat for 5 years, not been started for 5 years. Has been sat, like I said, for 5 years. And the car's been sat for 5 years. It's been sat for 5 years. Like I said, it has been sat for 5 years. So welcome to Salvage Diaries. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning the car. It's going to be a pretty satisfying video to watch. We're going to take it down a jet wash. We're going to clean all that out. Then we're going to jet wash all of this. All of this. All around the back. So I'm going to grab a bag, clear up all the leaves and whatnot. Wow. Wow. But
interesting. Expired stuff. See that?
is it? We're probably gonna have to clean the inside out again.
Yeah.
Give it a rinse over. We will get it validated at some point, but we just want to get it presentable. Just gonna go for an MOT. We have put a new battery on it. Show them the new battery.
Cheap one, isn't it?
Yeah. Cheap one. Do you ever want to know what a £200 battery looks like?
That is it.
There it is. So the car is booked in on Wednesday. Today's Monday. The car's booked in on Wednesday to go down to Audi. We've got a test drive, like a diagnostics drive with one of their technicians. They're gonna cause a bit of a issue with the gearbox. We drove it earlier, didn't we? It drove absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Then we pulled up here, put it into reverse, and sort of wouldn't go into reverse. So it's definitely something electrical. This gearbox was performing absolutely fine. So we're gonna take it over to Audi on Wednesday. We might do a little video on that. Jay will be in the back just little filming.
Yeah.
See what they can come up with. But yeah, it's got MOT tomorrow, so we'll see how we get on with the MOT. But we need to get this car flipped quick, so that's why it's all go with this. So we turned off the engine light. It's come back on, so there's definitely an issue with that. Right, so now giving it a clean. It's not 100%, but it's a lot better than what it was. We are going to obviously have to give it another clean. It's going to need a good detail, but even just doing that there, it's gotten all that grime, most of the grime off. There's a little bit there that we need to see to and throughout the car, but overall it has made a difference. What do you think?
Yeah, it's made a bit difference.
Yeah.
A few little bits that just need a bit of elbow grease.
That's it. But we'll get there. Job well done so far.
100%.
Right, so we're going to start by cleaning the door sills. Passed fine, all good on the MOT. So now we're going to get cleaning, get all that grime off. Okay, so we've got a little bit of a system going on. Jay's going along wiping all the bitty bits off.
The
webby bits. And then I'm going to go along with a sponge. Give it a wipe down, so we're going to do this little area here. It all just gets stuck on the sponge. Look at that. For any detailing needs, give us a call.
This will look great.
They look excellent. We got our auto finesse bag to detail it as well. It's matte. 5 years of grime coming off. How long's it been sat for?
I think 5.
On these bits here, it's going to need a little bit more than a scrub. That's made the world of a difference, giving that bit of clean. Look, you can actually see the scuttle panel now.
Yeah. Need to blow it, go around on the car.
This is the passenger side. Give that all a bit of a clean up now. So that comes out to the boot space. That is quite bad. Okay, just cleaned up the bonnet, cleaning up the engine bay at the moment. Using a little brush to get into all the little areas, a bit of spray, and then wiping it down after. Show you how we're getting on at the moment. Driver's door, looking incredible. Look at this. We're in the wrong game. He's getting in the old detailing game. We're going on over here. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Okay, so we've now finished cleaning the car. Let's take a look at the finished result. join us in the next one where we go on a test drive with an Audi technician. That should be quite interesting. See you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.